Hey guys, Kangaroo Boom here. It's Australia, and yeah, Bugaroo, we are flooded in. Look right over there. There's a river that's becoming our valley again, like every year. There's Cupid. To those who like seeing her from, she's grown a lot tall, as you can see. Only a little bit, obviously. Not. Hey, Cupid. And, yeah, you can barely see. Whoa. Okay, yeah, that's leaking. Oh yeah, a tree fell, so I had to chop it down. It's completely, like, yeah, don't know if you noticed, we are flooded. Really flooded. And it's really bloody loud. Like, it shows a lot more clearer on my phone. Like, it doesn't show the absolute thickness of rain that is coming down. Okay, there's Cupid. Oh, okay. Here is the actual, oh, sorry birds. Whoops, my bad. There you go. Here's the thing. Over there, here, this whole place, you see mountains. Mountains. There are none. Absolutely not. It's just completely covered. It's absolute madness. AOQ. Yeah, don't try and bite me, alright? You're in the nibbly stage. Oh yeah, it's flooding so much, like, we be having waves out here, boys, in bloody Tally. So out here in Talabudra, all of Pumanra and Talabudra Valley, and here in Tally itself, we are flooded. Like, at Connection Road, where I have to get to school, yeah, good luck. Yeah, like, see right there? There's the mountain. It's clearing up. That is meant to be, like, see? There's the mountain. You can barely see it. It's just this grayish looking. Sorry if you can't really hear me. The rain is buckering down even bloody more. Oh, there goes the mountain. Oh, wait, no. There's the camera. It's getting wet. My phone. Oh, no. Yeah, so, yeah. To those, that aren't, who want to see what Australia is like on Queensland, on the Gold Coast, here it is right now. Oh yeah, to those in Ukraine, wish you the bloody best. Right, like, wish you the real utmost best for Ukraine. Russia, bugger off, please. For bloody hell's sake. But, yeah. That's just my thing. But, yeah. Lots of rain. My garage, which would, like, down there, my garage is completely flooded. There's about this much water, and we, like, no matter how much we get towels and mats and we just soak it all up, the mats, they soak up in 1 second, completely full of water, and then we have to rinse out. No difference. We did it we have to move all the boxes, everything. Cupid is like, what the hell, why is it so rainy? This is the first time she's seen it. And to those who don't know, this is Cupid. Little goofball, who this morning wasn't really helpful. I was still asleep, but yeah, she rips up everything. Yeah, it's just buckering down with rain right now. There's the punching bag that my friend Kosh kicked, and that fell down. And you have a better look of the intensity of water. I don't know if you can. Yeah, you can't clearly see it, but yeah. That water be running, and then you just, all right, keep you want to be let in. Yeah. Here are the fishies. They've been having a dazzle of a time, just chilling. The pool is just overflowing. The garden is bloody. Oh, crikey. And I only had this bucket out for, say, about 5 or 10 minutes. Already. Just gotta... There we go. And then, yeah. Buckaroo. So much rain in just little time. So, yeah. That's the rain. And that's the weather. So, yeah, to all my friends who watch, and to people who watch, this is my situation. Free swimming pool. So, yeah, so have a nice arvo. Latest.